I don't take the view that St. Thomas should be the forgotten parish. People live here, and the people live here would like to conduct their business in efficient, safe, and secure circumstances. Our commitment to create jobs is a serious commitment. You know, I am not a prime minister of announcement. I try not to do too much, but it's almost unavoidable because the nature of our government is that we have to consult, we have to advise, we have to inform, and therefore it means I have to come here and tell you what I am doing. But I like to tell, my greatest pride is to tell you when I've done it. So it gives me great pride to say that between April last year and March this year, we have created 4,000 new jobs in the BPO sector. 4,000 new jobs. And those would mostly be jobs for young people. September coming, with the Port Authority's development of new facilities in Montego Bay, 2,000 new jobs will be created. This is not if, but, or maybe. 2,000 new jobs will be created. By the first quarter of next year, I am told that we will be somewhere close to 5,000 new jobs with the facility we are doing in Portmore. I happen to know, and this is just what the government is doing and what we are certain of will be the take-up with jobs. But the private sector has several other projects going on. And when I did a little totting up of what they are doing, by the first quarter of next year, we are looking at close to another 7,000 new jobs. So I want you to see the picture that the government is working. As it relates to what will happen here, we have already started to promote the space that is available here for BPO operations. This parish so far has only had 10 murders in the year. Too many, but compared to other parishes, this parish is doing very well. And I want you to take pride in that and keep that crime rate and that murder rate down. When you see the criminals start to come here because of the development, run them. Don't take them into your house and take them on as new boyfriend and new girlfriend. Run them. Make sure that your parish remains safe and secure, because that is going to be one of the greatest attractions for investors to come here.